Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhansinh Mori and I am back with my HTML tutorials. So in this video I am going to tell you how to do text formatting in HTML. So now let's go to my computer screen. So I am now on my computer screen. So what we will learn today, so as I told you, we will learn the text formatting in HTML. So in text formatting, we will learn how to bold the text, how to italic a text, how to mark means how to highlight a text, how to cut a text. It doesn't mean that cutting the text and pasting somewhere else. It means putting a cut mark on the text. So then how to insert means how to underline the text, and how to subscript and how to superscript the text. So let's start with the how to bold the text. So how to bold the text? So bolding the text is usually used to show some importance to the particular word or a sentence. In HTML, the element to bold the text are the B tag and the strong tag. Both are used to bold. So example, in this code, if you paste in the notepad, it will show that the bold word will be bolded in your web page. So now let's see how to italic the text. So the italics is used to slant the word or a sentence to attract the viewers, as it was in bolding the text. So in HTML, the elements to italic the text are the I tag and the EM tag. Both are used to italic the text. So in the example, if you paste this code in the notepad and run as HTML file, it will show that this italic word will be slanted, as it is using this tag and this end tag. So the word between these two tags will be italic. So let's see now how to highlight the text. So in the highlighting tool is used to color on the text and attract the viewers, as it is in all the things. So in the HTML element to highlight the text is mark, as it is written how to mark the text, and this is only the text. So here the mark is used here and it is ended here. So highlight word will be highlighted in your HTML web page. So now let's see how to cut the text, or how to put a cut mark on the text. So cutting the text here does not mean that text is cutted and pasted somewhere else, as I told you before. Here it means that putting a cut mark to tell the viewers that this word is typed by mistake. Usually we don't use this one because we just hit the backspace button and remove the text till we want. So in the HTML, the element to put cut mark on the text is the delete tag. So here, as this tag is used here and end tag is here, so the word between this will be cutted. So the cut word having a cut on it. So here this word will have cut on it if you paste in notepad and run as HTML file. So now let's see how to insert or underline the text. The underlining tool is used to mark some important word or a sentence. The HTML element to underline the text is the INS tag, which means the insert tag. So in the code given here, this code is used here and the end code is here. So the word or the words between these two tags will be underlined. So we will do it in notepad after we finish with the explanation. So now let's see how to subscript and superscript the text. The subscript and superscript are mainly used to smaller the tag and put up or down. The HTML to subscript is sub of subscript, as it is the easy way to remember is to subscript it will be sub, the first three words, and the HTML element to superscript will be sup, the first three letters of it. So this is a trick to remember it easily. So this I have used this paragraph tag, you can use any of that. This is subscripted, so as it is used sub and sub here, so the word between them will be subscripted, and this is superscripted, so as it is used sup and /sup, so the word between them will be superscripted. So now let's make the examples in Notepad. So I have opened my Notepad. So now let's start. So first let's make the HTML file. So first let's start with the bolding the text. So the bold word. So let's make the milk word here bold. So here I will write milk, but I want to bold it, so I will use the B one and then /B. It will bold the text. Now let's end the paragraph tag. So now let's do how to italics the. So I have written the spelling here wrong. So let's see how to italic. I like to drink, so I want to italic the milk word here. So now let's see how to underline the text. So this code is used to underline the insert one. So now let's write the code to delete the text, means cut the text. So I have written water by mistake, so I will cut this tag using the delete tag. So now let's see how to subscript and superscript the text. So first, now I will write in I study in 7th standard. I don't want to keep the space. So this is subscripted, and so now let's see how to superscript. I study in 7th then end the paragraph tag. So now let's see how to mark or highlight the text. So first paragraph tag, I like to drink, I want to mark the milk, so mark milk, and then end the mark tag, and then end the paragraph tag. So as all the 7 operations are ended, so let's save. So let's save. So as I used to tell in every video, that after write the name, write .html, or if you don't write this, it will be saved as it is a plain text used to just save in Notepad. So it has came. If you have default program to open the HTML file as Google Chrome, here with the sign will be of Google Chrome, or the browser you choose to open the HTML file. So let's open with, and if you have any browser sign, then if you right click and directly open, it will open in your browser. So I'll open with Google Chrome. So as you all can see, the answer is here. I like to drink milk, milk is bolded. I like to drink milk, it's italic. I like to milk drink, it's underlined. I like to drink milk and cutted the water, as it written here. I am studying 7th, this is subscripted. I like to I'll studying 7th, it's superscripted. And I like to drink milk, milk is here highlighted. So we can say that we have written correctly. Hope you enjoy watching this video and learn something new from it. Subscribe our channel to get more interesting videos on computer. Click the bell icon beside it to get notified when I add new videos, and don't forget to like them.